Hello there guys, in this video I will show you how to make your TikTok account private. Guys, firstly go on your profile section and then select on your right upper side by clicking the three dots icon. Then you should go and select the settings privacy. Guys, as you know, my account here on the manage account type, as you can see, I have the option for switching to personal account. What this means? This means that my account right now is a business pro account. What I need to do is simply go to switch to personal account, switch anyway go, and right after that when you switch account to a personal, get back, go on privacy, and here as you can see on discoverability, on the first side you have a private account. Go click on that one, and here guys, with that we have made our TikTok account private. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.